Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to use multiple filters on your Instagram Reels. That means whenever you are recording your Reels video, you can use multiple filters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can see, like in your single Reels video, you can use multiple effect and filters in your Instagram Reels. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application and click on this plus icon and go to reel section. So here you can see I have opened a reel. So for example, now I will select any effect, for example this one. Okay, so I will record something. I left. Now again I will click on this effect and I will select whichever filter I have to use it. So you have to save your filter here. For example, I will select now this filter. So now again I will. So if you want to add again different filter, click on this filter icon. If you have saved to your list, you can go here, or you can search it from the trending or from wherever you want. For example, I will go to here. Okay, I will select any one filter here. Now this one. So now everything is done. So now I will post this reel and I will show you how many filters I have used here. I will click on share. So it is posted now. So I will go to my reel section here now. So once it is completed, I will go to my reels section and here you can see, and okay, so here you can see it is glitter plus 2. So once you will click on this one, here you can see there are total 3 filters that we have used to record this reel. So I hope this video is useful for you.